One.
Please.
Babe, you missed a spot on the stove. It's right there. Chicken. Why is there no seasoning?
There is.
Where?
On the chicken.
I don't see enough seasoning in the chicken. They're going to hit you for saying that you use not enough seasoning when in fact normally you use too much seasoning.
No, they're going to say I use too much.
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
You're missing tomatoes.
I don't have any.
You're missing carrots. You're missing cheese.
And that's dinner. Love you guys. Love you guys.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, I do.
No. No, you don't.